Estos chicos son de San Paul también, dos hermanos. Ellos tienen una tienda y la ventaja es que en la tienda se ve el fondo bastante bien. Vamos a verlo. Se ve el fondo pretty good. Sí. Robert is cleaning the holes. And from here se puede ver el fondo muy bien. Sí. It's deeper anyways here, Bob.
Yeah, okay. How deep are you here?
More.
I'm not sure. I haven't dropped the line yet. Still.
Deeper for sure. See, at the very bottom is like what?
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah. I thought it was a piece of metal at the bottom. But it's that one. Pretty cool.